E minor in JCI, D minor or Jedatu, F G go, Power ring I, then we in JC. E minor Gravuduma in a young la pilota 1, 2, 3, 4. Nakaladago E minor second position G B E 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and see the E minor and the Babonga. D minor or Jedum Zulu. Oh, me, the F go, F the G go, Power Renga. The pay you got a young air. F Barbie go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the good doom namla and go 2 B to Kala 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go G pet 3 and 4 and the music Habba at the Jew pattern 1 ring I see Babi go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and they go Nama and you 1 and 2 and Dukra lie 1 and 2 and them the tower and the Sabi said the tower and 1 and 2 and G Babi go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and they go Nama and you go 1 and 2 and the Pesha lie C1 and 2 and G1 and 2 and Pong Yang she go 1 bar ring I 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A minor Babi get on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the Kuranga and you go 1 and 2 and Dukala 1 and 2 and A minor the Musang E minor Babi get on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the Kuranga the Gunama E minor go 1 and 2 and Hala A minor 1 and 2 and E minor 1 and 2 and Bonga then you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 F Babi Tower and in the Kudumaranga 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 F Babi Goname 1 and 2 and Hala 1 and 2 and Hala then who's saying C1 and 2 and Best Hala after C Bonga 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and who's saying D minor G go power ringa D minor go now 1 and 2 and Lana, G go now 1 and 2 and Lana. And now C to G power, A minor, E minor power, F to C power, D minor to G power. They have wrong to agree. You must see this.